This is going to be my unboxing video of the Garmin Edge 1040 Solar. The Edge 1040 Solar is actually pretty much sold out by Garmin. Luckily I was able to get one from somebody else. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here you have the unit itself. So you can see this one's a little bit bigger than some of the older models. So I actually have the Edge 1000. Here's the Garmin Edge 1000. In my opinion, the Garmin Edge 1000 is the most reliable Garmin GPS ever made out there with a touchscreen. A major flaw is the power button fails. The charging port. I thought this wouldn't last how flimsy it is, but this thing doesn't even have scratches on it. So here's the Garmin Edge 1040 Solar. It has a solar panel here and here, and the whole screen here has a little bit of a solar panel. Now underneath that, got a bunch of rubber band mounts for the Garmin Edge. It's more than what they used to give you. Looks like you got an out front mount. Oh, and it has an angle adjust on it. They never used to give you one with angle adjust. Here's another out front mount. This one's different than the ones they used to give you. This one can take the battery on the bottom, so you don't have to buy a special bracket afterwards. You get a charging cable, USB-C. Looks like you got your lanyard for it, different spacers for different size bars. And looks like we got a rubber case for the outside of the Garmin Edge 1040. It never used to give you a case with any of the Garmins. Maybe the new ones need this. Got a metal back plate with what looks like where the battery adapter would go. Go ahead and open this up. I don't know if these come with a charge or not, but we're gonna find out. Power button is definitely upgraded from the Edge 1000. So the Edge 1000 power button used to be a rubber one. Also, you can see on the back, the mount is metal on the Edge 1040. The mount on the Edge 1000 is plastic. You can see there's no damage to my mount. There's a little bit of damage to my mount, but nothing that hinders the function. Let's give it a test. Power it up. Looks like it comes with the turn the Edge 1000 on. Skip that for now. We're gonna do, I like 24-hour format. All that stuff is not applicable here. It literally wants you to set up everything. I'm not gonna do that right now. It'll just sync everything from my profile later. Let's take a look at some of the features. So you got your go, lap buttons, whereas for go and lap buttons are down here. So that's where they got the extra screen space, is they took these buttons away. Doesn't really seem to be anything else around the edges of it. This main charging port is down here. I thought this was going to be metal down here, but it's plastic. Yeah, it's the USB-C charging port. I'm going to have to hook that up to the computer anyway, because it's going to need an update, or several updates from the factory. So, I'll get that all set up, and I guess I'll see if this thing gets signal inside the automobile, because The Garmin Edge 1030 Plus that I had wouldn't get signal inside my Velomobile. So it'll get signal on the handlebars inside the Velomobile, but it wouldn't get signal on the wheel well where I mount it. I can't mount it on my handlebars in my Velomobile because it gets in the way of tucking the steering wheel up and away when you're trying to get in and out.